Today we'll learn how to say a yes or no question in Chinese. It's very easy. All we need is one simple character, ma. It's a modal particle and it's used at the end of a sentence to ask a yes or no question. Let's look at these two example sentences. Number 1, 他是你爸爸。他是你爸爸。He, to be, your dad. 他是你爸爸。He is your dad. And number 2, 他是你爸爸吗？他是你爸爸吗？ He, to be, your dad, yes or no question modal particle. 他是你爸爸吗？ He is your dad, yes or no? Is he your dad? Let's see again. 他是你爸爸。He is your dad. 他是你爸爸吗？ Is he your dad? So number 1 is a statement or a declarative sentence. And number 2 is a yes or no question. For the main parts of the sentence, subject, verb, and object, the word order is exactly the same. The only difference is that if you want to ask a yes or no question, ma is used at the end. Now let's try some more. I'll say the statement. Can you repeat it and then change them into a yes or no question? 你是中国人。你是中国人。You, to be, Chinese. So how do you ask, are you Chinese? 你是中国人吗？你是中国人吗？ You, to be, Chinese. Yes or no question modal particle. Very good. So I've prepared some more. Can you turn the statement into a yes or no question? 你姓李。你姓李吗？你叫成龙。你叫成龙吗？ Very good. And do you remember in the last lesson, we learned how to say 爸爸 and 妈妈. Today we'll learn more family members and we'll use them to practice more questions with 妈. So the words are 哥哥、姐姐、弟弟、妹妹、哥哥、姐姐、弟弟、妹妹、哥哥、姐姐、弟弟、妹妹。Did you notice that all family member words are made of the same character twice? 爸、妈、哥、姐、弟、妹 as single characters already carry the meaning of dad, mom, big brother, big sister, etc. But in Chinese, the majority of words are made of two characters, so people have the tendency to make more words two characters. Also, characters 妈, 姐, and 妹 all have the radical 女, female in them because they are all female. So you already know how to write half of the character. That's why radicals are important because they really help us memorize the characters. So please remember these words. We'll be using them in sentences now. 哥哥 姐姐 弟弟 妹妹 So you'll see a person. Can you ask questions about them based on the given information? Let's try. 他是你哥哥吗？她是你姐姐吗？他是你弟弟吗？她是你妹妹吗？ Very good. And I have just one more sentence for you to turn into a yes or no question. 你的名字是小龙。你的名字是小龙。So how do you ask? 你的名字是小龙吗？ Is your name 小龙? Very good. And there's one thing we need to be careful with. Remember the other question word we learned? 谁? It means who. So if you use 谁 in a question, you don't use 吗. And if you use 吗 in a question, you don't use 谁, because in one sentence, one question word is all we need. And each question word has their own purpose for asking different things. Again, we'll do a quick review before we finish. Let's see. 吗 吗 哥哥哥哥姐姐姐姐弟弟弟弟妹妹妹妹他是你的哥哥吗？他是你的哥哥吗？ Did you get all of them right? Don't forget to do the quizzes for this lesson. They're at the bottom of this page. And in the next topic, we'll learn some useful ways to memorize the characters from this lesson. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time. 谢谢，再见。